Hey my friend, this is Sam here again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in your hosting account. Okay, so just to give you a brief introduction, WordPress is basically a piece of software, or rather say it's a platform or framework that people use to create their websites. Actually it's one of the most robust and largest used framework in the world to build your websites. Okay, so we are going to install WordPress, and we are going to not per se work in WordPress as much, but we are going to install it so that we'll be able to build in the future videos when I show you how to build your landing pages using lead pages and ClickFunnels. We'll be able to integrate some of the plugins that lead pages and ClickFunnels they provide to our WordPress site, and we'll be able to host landing pages of our hosting account. Okay, so to install WordPress, first of all we'll have to go to a email that we received from HostGator, and I told you that I'm going to show you when to use control panel. That is being the link that is sent in that email. So open your HostGator account email, and then you will see that link to your cPanel or control panel. So I want you to click on that link right now, and it will bring you to your login page for your control panel. Okay, so let's go back to our email and copy a username and paste it right here. Copy a password and paste it right here, and log in. Okay, so once we log in, this is how your cPanel or your control panel back office looks like. Okay, so in this we are looking for WordPress. So see under this popular links, you see this build a new WordPress site right here. You'll also see that somewhere down here, build a new WordPress site. So just click on that link. Okay, so it will bring you to this page, and from this select domain for installation, from this drop down box, click on that drop down box, and you should be able to see your custom domain under that drop down box, because as you recall, in our last video we linked a custom domain from GoDaddy to a HostGator account. So that's why we are seeing this in this drop down box in HostGator. Okay, so select that, and I want you to leave this directory empty because we want to install WordPress in our root server, in our root directory. Okay, so just leave that directory field blank and then click on next. Now over here you can give your blog title, whatever title you want to give. I'm just gonna say my awesome blog for now, and create your admin user that you can remember. Put your first name, last name, and give your admin email. Now mind you, this admin email would be the email this is the email where you'll receive any changes that happens to your WordPress site. Okay, like if there's a new update for WordPress, or if there's any new plugin that you need to install, this is where you'll get all your notifications. Okay, so put an email that you check often, and then I'm going to make sure that this box is checked. It says automatically create a new database for this installation, and then check this box to agree to their terms of service agreement, and then just hit the install button. And once you hit the install button, within a matter of seconds, WordPress is going to install in your hosting server. There you go. It says installation complete. continue browsing the marketplace or view. Okay, we don't need any of that. So it shows you your WordPress information right here, that your WordPress is installed to topmarketingguru.com. This is your username, this is your password. Now they have also emailed this to you, to your email that you specified in the last page. So you'll have this information in your email just in case if you lose this particular page. Okay, so what I want you to do is, I'm just going to go to my email and see it shows install complete. So I'm going to click on this email and it will have that information about the WordPress. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to close this out. I'm going to come to my email and I'm going to use this admin URL, which is topmarketingguru.com/WP, which stands for WordPress-admin. I'm going to click on that link and it will bring me to this cPanel, to my WordPress login page, and I'm going to copy paste my username right here, get my password also, copy, come back here, paste it right here, and then log in. So once you log in, it will bring you to your dashboard, WordPress dashboard, which is also your WordPress back office. So once you come here, it will give you the welcome message for the first time. Now, what kind of site can we help you set up? So obviously we're going to click business because that's what we want to set up, and let's launch your new website. Site title, site description, fill out whatever you want to fill out to best represent your business. Click on next. Are you going to update your site with news or blog posts? So I'm going to say yes. And then actually I'm just going to skip that step because I'm going to show you how to set up your WordPress site in the subsequent video. So I'm just going to say, let's launch my awesome blog. I'm going to say no thanks. I'm going to say continue, connect. Let's launch my awesome blog. Not now. Not now. We don't want to install WooCommerce right now. And then, do you want to customize your website? We don't need to do any of this right now. So just close this out. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how you install your WordPress site, WordPress software to your hosting account. And if you go to, I'm just going to take a chance to go to topmarketingguru.com and see if any of my changes are propagated. See, so there you are. So I went to topmarketingguru.com, and as you can see that it's showing me this beautiful page right here, and this is the default theme that WordPress has installed when we installed WordPress. So this would be a default WordPress site, and it's bare minimum out of the box vanilla WordPress site. Of course, it's not going to look like this by the time we are done with our training. But for now, once you see this, my awesome blog title right here, that means that our WordPress site has been installed successfully. Okay, my friend. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to see you in the next video. Okay, so take care. Bye.